Hi children, welcome back to your math video. I am your math teacher Jeevita. Today we are going to learn about statement problems. So statement problems, before thinking about a statement problem is nothing but story problems. That is, we all love stories, right? Same like that in maths, this statement problem is nothing but a story. Here we will read the story and then understand what should we find. It's like a treasure hunt. So we will be reading the story, understanding it and finding some answer for the given question. So here is a small activity for you to understand. There were 3 friends. These doggies are friends. Okay. And what are the names? Rose, Elika, Jack. And Rose, you know dogs love to eat biscuits? Yes. Rose had 4 biscuits. See how many biscuits Rose is having? 4 biscuits. And even Elika and Jack, their friends, even they also have the same number of biscuits. This is a short story. That is, there are 3 friends and they have explained about only Rose biscuit here, and they have said even others have the same. And the problem here is we should find how many biscuits are here totally. So before going to the problem, so even Elika and Jack also have the same number of biscuits like Rose. So even let them have same number of biscuits. Now, so totally how many biscuits altogether have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was very easy. Yes, but here we are going to use multiplication. You know, repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 can be written in multiplication form. How will you write? You'll use into sign. Now how many dogs are here? 3 dogs. Okay. And how many biscuits each dog is having? 4 biscuits. Now you know what is the answer for 3 fours are. 3 fours are is equals to 1, 2, 12. This is my answer. So how will I get to know whether should I do multiplication or addition? See, it depends upon the question. The question, what did they give? They gave only about Rose here. They gave only how much Rose is having. They didn't say about everything, no? In multiplication, that is a hint. They will tell about only one object and they will say the number of object. And you will have a hint like all the numbers of objects have the same problem. Like if Rose is having 4 biscuits, even Elika, Jack, they also have 4 biscuits here. They don't have different biscuits, right? Yes, like that. In the problem, they will tell details about only one thing and all others will be same. When you understand the small logic in the question, you should understand that it is multiplication. And what should I multiply is my next question. The multiplication numbers which you have to choose is number of things given, total number, how many dogs are here, that, and each dog how much it has. So one more key word for multiplication is each. Like in problem of addition, you know, if you see the word total all together, this means you should do addition, right? Same like that. In multiplication also, if you have the word each, such that, product of, all these are keywords which tell you this is a multiplication sum. Why I am telling you all these keywords is, children? in your test paper, you will have all the types of word problem mixed. You should identify which operation, that is addition, subtraction or multiplication, which operation should I do there. So you should remember the keywords for it. Okay, now let us go to classwork part and practice some more word problems. So children, in the last class we only finished two mains of exercise 4.3. Now we'll be continuing with the next main, third main, that is word problem. So all of you can open your page number 116 and compulsory please copy the question from the test book. Now write in the middle exercise 4.3. C main. Word problems. First one, the cost of a table is rupees 480. How much will 30 tables cost? Question mark. So leave one line and write answer. Because it is word problems, it's very important to write the statement, children. So how will you write the statement? So you have two numbers given here. One is rupees 480. So what is this rupees 480 telling me? This is telling me the cost of a table. So that will be my statement. Cost of a table. So first statement, cost of a table is equals to rupees 480. And my second number, what is this 30 telling us? It is telling the number of tables which is here, right? So I should write the number of tables. Next sentence, number of tables, it is 30. Now what am I doing? I am finding the cost for 30 tables. That is my question, right? How much will 30 tables cost? So how will I tell this answer? The cost of 30 table is, so you write the statement, cost of 30 tables. Instead of writing is, therefore, these three dots are important. This is called therefore. To find the answer, what we should do? I know this lesson is about multiplication, so absolutely you get multiplication. But in the question paper, you will have addition, subtraction, all the lessons together. So in that case, you should find out which operation you should do. So how will you find that? So in the picture, you saw the activity. They give the details of one thing and ask you the details of many things. You should understand the question. Oh, they are giving me information about one thing. They are giving information about one table. Asking me information about many tables. In that case, you should do multiplication. So you can see 0, 0. So let me do it in the last. Okay. So 3 8s are 24. 4 to carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. Now the two zeros here. So this is my answer. And because it is cost, means rupees, so you should write the rupee symbol. If you don't write the symbol, your answer will be wrong. So let's go for the next sum, second one. Copy the question from your textbook. That is the third sum. Shyam has typed 250 pages every day. Okay. So I have copied the question. Read the question, children. Shyam is a boy. He types 250 pages in one day. and they're asking me to find how many pages will he type in 1 week. 1 week means how many days? 7 days. So they're telling about 1 day, asking us to find many days. So again, it is multiplication. And let's write the statement now. Write answer. So first let me take the first number, 205. What is this 205? Pages which Shyam types in 1 day. That will be my statement. Pages typed in 1 day is 205. Now second statement. 1 week you have means 7 days. So what should I write? Number of days. Number of days is 7 days. You won't write week because here they have given in days. So calculation also you should do in days only. You cannot take two different things, okay? So multiply them, and what is the answer you're going to find? Number of pages he types in 7 days or a week. Okay, so that will be my last statement. Therefore, pages typed in 7 days, or you can also write 1 week. So what is my answer? 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry. 7 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 7 2s are 14. So he types how many pages? 1435 pages. Now let's go for 9th sum in the textbook. I write 3, but I am copying the 9th question, children. Copy the 9th question. So you can read the question. They have given the cost of one phone or the mobile and asking you to find the cost of 1 dozen of mobile. So what do you mean by 1 dozen? 1 dozen means 12. Okay, dozen means 12. So now let's write the statement. First is rupees 5,800. What is this telling me? Cost of one phone, right? So write that. Cost of one mobile. And what they are given? 12. That is dozen means 12. What is the 12 telling? Number of phones which we have to find the cost. So write number of mobiles. And you know it is multiplication. What's the statement in the last? The cost of mobiles we are finding. So therefore, cost of 12 mobiles, or you can also write 1 dozen mobiles. So let's find the answer. So let's leave the zeros first. It is 12 into 58. You all know 12 tables, no children? If you don't know, we'll multiply with 2 and then with 1. If you know, you can multiply with 12 directly. So now 12 8s are 6. Okay, because it's difficult for you, I'm going to try with 2 first and then 1. 2 8s are 16. 6 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Plus 1 8s are 8. 1 5s are 5. Now answer is 6. 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 1 6. And then in the last I should add these 2 zeros which I left in the beginning. So my answer is 69,600 rupees. We are talking in rupees, so write the symbol. Next we go for the last 10th sum and we'll solve that, children. Copy the 10th question. The question is, a ticket for a cinema cost 150 rupees. If 576 tickets were sold, find the amount collected. So first I should write the number rupees 150. So what is this 150? It is cost of one ticket. So write that is the statement now. Cost of one ticket. The next number I have is 576. What is this 576 telling me? The number of tickets sold. That will be my next statement. Number of tickets sold. And what is the final thing which I should find? Total amount collected. So that will be my statement. Therefore, total amount collected. Let's multiply. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. Now next number, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry, 7 are 7 plus 3, 10. Next I should add 1, means next I should multiply with 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So I finished multiplying all the 3. Now I should add them. 0, 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. So my answer is 86,400. And this is amount, rupees. So you should put rupees symbol. And the rest we'll discuss in the interactive class. And now let's go for next main exercise 4.4. So write exercise 4.4. First main. Estimate the product to nearest. Children, in the textbook you have the question, page number 117. You can copy the full question or you can write the short heading as I have written. The first one, 86 into 19. So now you know rounding off. This is estimation against nothing but rounding off. So now I should round off to 10. So I should take one side as 80, the bridge. One side is 80, other side is 90. I am standing in 86. So where should I go? I should go to 90. So 86 becomes 90 into 90 means this side 10, this side 20. And it's standing very close to 20. So 19 becomes 20. Now multiply. 2 zeros you are not going to write now. So 9 2s are 18. In the answer you will add the zeros. This is my answer. Let's check with the other one. Second one. 55 into 42. So estimating 55 goes friends. 60 into 42 comes back to 40. Now leave the 2 zeros. Answer would be 6 4s are 24 with 2 zeros. So it is 2400 or 2400. Let's go for the second main where we estimate the product to nearest 100. First one, 196 into 100. So I have taken the first question, first estimated to the nearest 100, means rounding off to 100. So I should take one side 100, the other side 200. And I am standing in 196, which is very close to 200. So 200 into 110 is very close to 100. Now leave the zeros. Multiply 2 into 1 is 2 only. Now how many zeros I should write? 4 zeros. So my answer is 20,000. Same thing we'll do with the second one. So first rounding off, I get 200 into 300. Answer 2 3s are 6 with 4 zeros. And the next one will the last one sum. C1, third one. 498 into 576. 498 can be rounded off to 500. 576 can be rounded off to 600. So 5 6 are 30 and you have to write 4 zeros. So my answer is 3 lakh. So this is multiplication by estimating it. So by this we have completed the lesson number 4. Any doubts? Let's discuss in the interactive class. And whichever sums which I have not done, please try to complete in the textbook. And I'll be asking in the interactive class. Thank you.